Welcome to Education Hub for Kids. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for train. U for unicorn. V for vase. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.